here, up here. H.
Right, H.
H.
Yeah.
It's not H. Line down.
Try to help him.
Oh, is that it?
And Baptist.
N.
And all caps.
D. L.
E. S.
S.
Gotta follow the line, Baptista.
Now L.
Right in the line.
Okay, now space over here. L. A. N. D.
Space.
Space over here. And then right. C.
H.
F.
E. S. S.
S. This one.
Wait, S again.
S.
Period.
Period.
Dot.
Dot. Put a dot.
It's okay.
Teacher.
It's okay. It's okay. Continue. Finish?
Yeah, finish.
5.
1, 2,
He puts
3,
those-
4, 5.
Alright.
Teacher.
My name is Connor, and this is my teammates Minami, Bilal, Louis, and Joel. Um, our title is executive powers. Number one, enforcing laws is like when the other people from the executive branch make laws or somewhere. The president enforces these laws to make them real laws in Palau.
You can just read them.
Executive.
More pa babawin. Ayun, more pa? Yes. You can read them all out them. Pabon.
Executive orders.
Thank you. Yeah.
Executive orders is like
Okay, number 3. Bullet 3, Haraklin. Collect.
collecting and spending money. Bullet 4, appointing ambassadors. Bullet 5, appointing judges.
Thank you. Conduct executive branch.
We forgot
Hi, my name is Ichiro. These are my partners, Tomasa, Elisa, Desha, and Damian. First bullet, make laws necessary and proper to carry out. Bullet 2, approve presidential appointment. Impeach and remove the president. Bullet 4. Propose amendments to the Constitution. Number 5. Confirm or disapprove a state emergency called by the President. Hi, my name is Kana and these are my partners, Kate, Harry, and Ola and Baptiste. Today we're going to be talking about the judiciary branch. The judiciary Unit 2. Power is given to a single unified court system.
Court system has three parts with its own power.
It handles minor crimes and small disputes.
Let's do it that.
Bullet 5.
Handles land cases.
Teacher is gonna do. And you're gonna choose. Is this for judiciary? Is this for executive? Or is this for legislative? Okay? So,
So it says directions.
go ahead.
Working together as a group, but now you're gonna work individually. You just finished your group presentation, so individually, you're gonna read each power, and then you're gonna identify the power as a power for legislative. So you write legislative. If it's an executive power, but you see executive for a line. Assume ang judicial power, iwi, and Mr. Secretary. Any questions? Good? Okay, start.
So, Bob, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just write abbreviation, eh? A teacher will read and then you just say.
You need help with reading something, raise your hand there.
Either E or J or L. J or L, okay? E is for executive. J is for judiciary. L is for legislative, okay? Bob, hey, Bob, pay attention. Don't do that because I'm gonna send this to people and they're not gonna watch it. Speaking with them out. That's not nice. Okay? Okay? So here, introduce law. Is introduce law for executive, legislative, or judiciary? Which one? Which three? Executive, legislative, or judiciary? Which one? Bob. Pay attention. Huh? Yes. After.
Raise your hand if you need a red with something.
Executive or judiciary? Which one?
Judiciary, that's the
Okay,
third.
so you write J.
Parsimony, that's another word for saying that.
J. Write J. Write J. J. Okay. Declares law unconstitutional.
So open your notebook.
Declares law unconstitutional. Is it legislative? Is it
Declares laws
executive? Or is it judiciary?
They can declare if a law that was made does not fall under the Constitution. Who can declare that a law is not constitutional?
Is it judiciary? Is it executive? Or is it legislative?
Before we leave our report, we talked about that.
Okay, so you
What
write
branch
here.
is in charge of that?
You write here. That's upside. That's our other way. That's backward. We have to write it properly. That's backward. Bam.
Take out your
Go,
notebook.
right in. And here. You want me to stop the
Some of
video?
can be found in your
Then you
notes.
write in. Bam. Right here.
Most of it, the only thing is they use a different word. Instead of saying make clause, they say introduce.
Okay.
That's the same thing.
Signs,
So it's
bills,
the same
and
what you
law.
have in your notebook and that worksheet. They just use
Executive,
different
is it
wording.
legislative or is it judiciary? Which one? Signs, law. Judiciary. You write J.
Paper collectors, who's that? Wait.
Okay. Coins, money. Executive, judiciary, or legislative? Which one? Okay, you write L.
You're not doing this for all how many minutes. This is a very short class one.
Okay. Nominate Supreme Court justice. Is it executive? Is it that's not nice. What? Which one? Is it executive? Is it legislative? Or is it judicial? Is it E? Is it L? Or is it J? Huh? There's no. Is it E? Is it L? Or is it J? Hmm? Okay, you write E. Okay. Declares war. Declares war. Executive,
Hamlet the word number
legislative,
1.
judiciary. Oy, Bob,
Okay, with number 1,
this
so
one.
this
Declares
branch,
war.
the number
What
2,
war?
listening.
War is fighting, eh?
0.
Look
The
at
number
that.
2 is
Look
this
here.
branch is in charge
War.
of
So is
interpreting
it
the law, making sure the
executive?
law
Is it
that was
legislative? Or is it
made
judiciary?
by the legislative and signed by the president follows the constitution. Who makes sure that the laws are
E,
interprets the
L,
law?
or J?
Which branch?
You don't know? Okay, we skip to.
Not
Veto
clear?
bills. Is it
Are we clear? Number 2.
L? Is it E? Or is it J?
Declares laws
L? Are
unconstitutional.
you right? Yeah.
This branch makes sure the laws that were made follows the constitution.
Interpret makes meaning of law. Is it executive? Is it legislative?
Okay, are we good with number 2?
Judiciary. Which one?
Okay, number 3, kamuhi with a
L
siya.
or J?
Tree.
Okay,
Oh, that should be easy.
J.
Signs bills into laws. Who's in charge of signing
Okay.
bills
Serves as
into laws?
Commander-in-Chief of the
Or
Army
who's in
and
charge of
Navy.
signing laws?
Is it
And then
J?
everyone in the
Is it
country
L
has
or
to
is it
follow.
E? Oh, you write E.
Okay? Number 3, kamuhi with below.
You write properly, Omar. Why is like that?
Number 4.
Kung.
Who's in charge of coins money is
You write properly. Okay. Use a pardon. Is it E? Is it L? Or is it
coins money and appropriate money is the same as making sure each ministry or each government office gets the amount of money it needs.
Overrides a presidential
One branch is in
veto.
charge of that.
Override a presidential veto.
At least the preacher said last, everyone should be
These
done.
people,
We're going through each one and explaining them, yeah?
when the president
Okay,
says this is
number
coming
5.
up, and they say no,
1,
it's
2,
not
3,
coming
4,
up.
5. Kamuhi
So
Wekiana.
who are they?
Yes,
Executive, legislative, judiciary.
we just did that.
L or
Nominate
J?
or appoint
E, L or J?
judges. What branch?
E, L or J? Kaya tuwas sa papel ito nito. E, L or J?
Is that clear?
Tama. Right.
Okay, number
Okay, borrow
1, 2,
money
3,
on
4,
behalf of the
5,
United
6.
States.
We're on 6
E,
now.
L or J?
Number
Ayan.
your powers. So when I say 6, you know what number we're on.
Okay, this one. Makes treaties. E, L or J? Okay, right here. Impeach, remove the president. E, L or J? Okay. Alright, write your name. Write your name and date.
Okay, are we just ready for 6?
Wala you're touching it. Touching.
Declares war. Which branch has the power to declare war? If they feel that our country is being attacked, they have the power to declare that there's a war. Can the president do that? Or is it the executive